Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as you can clearly see on the screen that Euro USD is extremely bullish. There is no doubt that this market is under the heavy dominance of buyers right now because heavy buying going on in the Euro USD right now. And the opposite is going on in the chart of DXY US dollar. And as we all know, after the Fed's meeting, when Feds declared that inflation will be there for the short term and COVID-19 will be a part of our day-to-day life, then immediately dollar started facing selling pressure, and as a result the whole setup of the DXY chart changed, and right now you can clearly see that DXY is going down. There is severe selling pressure on the chart of DXY, and as we all know, if US dollar is going up, then there will be a selling pressure in the euro and pound. On the other hand, if Euro USD or pound is going up, then dollar is falling. So dollar is falling right now. Dollar is facing severe selling pressure. As a result, Euro USD going up. So there is no doubt that if we look at the chart, there is no doubt that this market is heavily bullish. Okay, but if we look at the forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 64% retail traders have taken short position, which means that 64% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. On the other hand, only 35% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. And as we all know, my dear friends, that 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason is that they always stand against the trend of the market. You can see in the case of pound USD, GBP USD, you can see that 88% traders have taken short position and only 11% traders have taken long position, and we all know it very well that GBP USD is extremely bullish right now. And in this case, in this scenario, if you are taking a short position in GBP USD or Euro USD, then my dear friend, you are in the wrong side. Therefore, do not follow the retail traders. Trade wisely, trade properly, and you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website avilashajarika.com under forex 101 section. So this is the chart. We know the trend of the market, that it is towards the upside because dollar is falling, euro is extremely bullish right now. So what should be our strategy for Friday? As I have clearly said in my earlier videos also, that we should always follow the trend. Following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, then we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, then we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And this market is no doubt that is an uptrend, therefore mainly we should look for buying opportunities. And which is the best position to buy, or the area of value? The area of value is always near the support in an uptrend market, whereas in downtrend market the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And Euro USD is an uptrend right now, therefore we must find the support here, because if we buy at support, then only we will get our area of value. But if you look at the chart here, then we do not have any area of value here, okay, because market is going sharply. Just look at the trend here, so there is no area of value here. In fact, we do not have any proper trend line also. We cannot draw a trend line also, therefore this is invalid. We do not have any proper support here, therefore right now we do not have any support here. Just we have seen that market has bounce from this particular level, but this level we cannot consider as a support. Therefore buying Euro USD is quite risky here, because we do not have any proper footing proper ground to execute the order. Because if you go for a buy here, okay, just try to understand my point. If you just go for a buy here, then your stop loss will be according to the logic, okay, according to the logic and according to the rules, your stop loss should be below here, because this is the only support in front of us right now. And you can see that this level is huge. You cannot afford to take such a huge stop loss. Okay. And there is no proper support also that you can take a stop loss. Therefore, executing the order here does not meet any criteria here. And if you look at the weekly chart also, if you look at a weekly chart, then you can see that clearly market has taken support at the weekly level and going up. So from the weekly chart there is no issue. From the higher time frame we are getting the thumbs up that market is an uptrend. Therefore no plan there should not be any plan to short the market. So our only duty is to look for buying opportunities only, and for that we do not have any proper strategy here right now, because no strategy will work. The only thing that I can see is that market is kind of forming a flag pattern here. Market is kind of forming a flag pattern here. If you do not know about the flag pattern, then let me tell you that this is a bullish pattern. In an uptrend market, whenever market goes up sharply, you get flag pattern like this. And the only way to trade on a flag pattern is whenever you draw a flag like this, once market crosses this upper line, then you can go for buy order. And right now you can see that market is crossing this upper line here. But still, I'll request you, my dear friend, wait for at least one candle and then take the decision. Otherwise, apart from this flag pattern, I have nothing for you today, because I cannot find any proper support here. I cannot find any proper stop loss position here. Therefore, the chart looks very risky, okay, for me. The chart may be beautiful, but it looks risky. And you can go for flag pattern only, because see, flag pattern works because see here, this is the pole of the market and this is the flag, and again you can go for buy here. But so this is how a flag pattern works. Whenever market goes up sharply, you consider it as a pole, and when market consolidates, you consider this as a flag. Not getting my point? I'll make a different video on flag pattern later. But right now what you need to do is to wait for one candle and just see how the market reacts, because as of now, okay, we have only flag pattern in front of us right now. Apart from the flag pattern, we have nothing. So you can wait for one candle and wait, and be very careful, because no proper ground is available here in the chart of Euro USD right now. So be careful. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for Monday.